Hi everyone, we are in the chapter 3 CSS tutorials. This chapter is about CSS margins and paddings that is very important for moving around HTML elements. This chapter is most used in CSS all the time. If we consider each element as a box, each box for sure has a space around. It surely has a border for showing the box area and some space inside the box. As we can see in the example, white area is a space around and green is a border and we have HTML text as content inside the box. This sample clearly shows the inside and outside the box so that we in CSS call them margin, border and padding. Each side can has its own margin for taking spaces. Like this P element in the example, or we can use just one margin and set all the sides in one row as picture below, top, right, bottom and left. There is another simpler way. If we give one margin value to an HTML element includes all sides like this example, blue div placed center of white area because blue div has been moved for each side. Let's practice in code together in next chapter and see how it works. Margin can get auto value. It means the HTML element move always in the center, and no matter how much we resize the page element, find its place always in the center of the page. Let's see how it works. Margin can get auto value. It means the HTML element move always. Difference between margin and padding is in padding elements take space inside the box. The usage of padding is exactly like margin, same navigation, top, right, button and left, and the same shorthand property syntax. Like this example, the text has been take some distance between HTML border box. Let's practice in the next chapter. Like this example, the text has been take some distance between HTML border